All right, next subject is lines. We will talk about lines first and foremost, our lines inside of the body when we making any type of a move. So the first thing what I want you to try is to imagine that there is a line is going from your foot towards your rib cage or even into your shoulder. So if you're standing right here in a split weight position, so you will start to feel that I can push into my foot and I can develop the line, opposite line into my body. This is what we call as well as opposition. So when I'm pushing down into my foot to make another side of my body to stretch and to develop, then it can go into my arm. So now we can do this with another hand. So that with another side from my foot towards my body. I can stretch my hand at the same time. Now I can add my feet as well. I can add my ball of my foot, see, and I can add my toe. I can make my ball of my foot, I can make my toe. So that line I'm constantly thinking about. Doesn't matter if I am standing here to the side, for example, if I go to the fan position, right, so I have that line where the rest of my body is coming, so I have that dance on position. I'm dancing myself out, right? Same if I'm going forward or backward. So let's say if I'm going forward towards the camera here, so I have that line is already in me from my foot towards my rib cage. So now if you look at me from the side, it's not just here, right? So you don't see my hips are hanging or chest. So I'm gonna go here into the diagonal. So the hanging part is not happening. So I'm here. See that? I'm developing from my toe into my chest. So it's active position. It involves all the muscles in my body. It helps me to be in a balance rather than what we experience. Like I said before, if you feel unbalanced in that position, it does mean that one part of the body is overtoned and another one is undertoned. So one more time here, we're having this development of diagonal here. Awesome. Now, let's go to the exercise part.